Updating a course after the Start Here template. Updating a course to be ready for an upcoming semester will look different to how you begin your semester. A new instructor's course shell will need different components than someone who has taught the previous semester. All courses at BCTC have a built-in template of a Start Here to provide a consistent starting point for student navigation. Students receive all BCTC pertinent information and policies using this Start Here. It is the instructor's responsibility to read the teacher's guide and update the Start Here to reflect the course being taught. Since the BCTC Start Here is automatically in every teaching shell, there have been a few questions on how to update the course without having to recreate the Start Here information and the course information. No matter what you need, hopefully this video will address your concern and assist you in getting your course ready. If you have additional questions after watching this short tutorial, reach out to Tracy Wooten or Kevin Dunn. I am going to cover 3 scenarios to show you how to get your course prepared for the upcoming semester with the least amount of time without creating all your components. So let's take a look at the first scenario. You already have a development shell built for the upcoming semester. Your Start Here is in place and has been revised to reflect your course. Your modules have been built and you don't need the automatic Start Here shell in your course. So what you would do, you would select the ellipsis to the right, batch edit, select all items, the bottom right hand corner, select options, delete items. This process will empty your course to where you have a blank course to copy your development shell into your course. Then you will select the ellipsis to the right, copy items, find your development course that you have ready, select the arrow and all content and discussions if you're going to reuse them, and start copying. This process will bring all your current revised Start Here information and course content into your teaching course. For scenario 2, you will go through and you will eliminate the Course Here overview, the syllabus and schedule, the grading and feedback policy, and the course instructor. And the reason it's only these 4 items is because all of these are still the same in every Start Here, and you should always make sure that you're using the most current Start Here section to make sure these policies, updated information is correct for the upcoming semester. But then you will go back and copy just the course instructor information, the 4 items that we just deleted. You will go into your development course or that you designed, and instead of hitting the content button, you're going to hit the arrow, which will bring you down to specific items. Not the Start Here square that gets everything. The farther you use an arrow, the deeper inside it goes. And then you will just copy your course overview, your instructor, your syllabus, and your grading and feedback policy. And then you will hit start copying. That takes just your information that you need for your course and puts it back into your Start Here, so you're not having to recreate all those components in a teaching course that you have previously gotten ready for the upcoming semester. Let's look at the third scenario. My course is empty. Where do I get the Start Here template that is required for all online courses? Now, very rarely should you get a course that is empty unless it's a development shell that you're working on for an upcoming semester. But in case that you do receive a teaching shell or development shell that does not have the Start Here in it, I will show you how to access the Start Here and implement it in your course. You will access the My Path page and scroll to the bottom of the page where BCTC's quick links are located. Access the Teaching and Learning Center. Under Course Creation, Online Learning Resources, underneath Blackboard, select BC Start Here Module Download Zip File. So when you select this option, it will link you out to a downloaded zip file. You will save the document wherever you find it necessary to locate it and click Save. Once you do this, you go back into your course that was empty and you select the ellipsis, import content, locate the zip file that you saved for the BCTC Start Here shell, select that file and open. So once your material finished copying, you'll see that you'll have all the components that is necessary for a Start Here shell, and you can continue on with your modules. So that's how you replace components that you have already adjusted to reflect the course that you're teaching